All right, I got a 99 Lincoln Town Car. As y'all see, I don't really have that many miles on it. I'm having an issue every time I turn the car off. It's in the off position. Then I try and crank it back on. Yeah, hear that? It's like I'm getting power from right there, but I'm not getting any other power. Battery's not dead. It's like I hear this trying to kick on. It's working. And if I sit there for a little bit, these lights will come back on. I'm not sure what the issue could be. But if you guys know anything, I'll turn it off. If you guys know anything, let me know. Crank over. Yeah, I'm not sure what the issue could be. If you guys know anything, please leave a comment.